Hi everybody, from Stefania from Tipsographic. This is a short walkthrough for my new marketing calendar template for 2023 for Google Sheets, but if you download it, it's compatible with Excel as well. To save your local copy of the file, just go to the link in the description and download it from tipsographic.com. Once you open the file, just go to the file menu in Google Sheets and click on make a copy, and once more make a copy. Then you have a 12 months template. On every month there are 3 sections. Main section with the calendar, with holidays as well, below a notes section, and last a schedule section, broken down by digital marketing, events, current deadlines, dates, and next month's tasks. As a bonus, there is also a campaign ideas spreadsheet with seasonal marketing campaign ideas for broken down by months as well. For some of them, I've already dropped down something, but you can just add as many as you wish by just right-clicking on every rows and inserting, and that's all. Please, if you are sharing the file with your colleagues, don't share the file itself, but the link you will be finding in the video description. And I hope you enjoy the template. In case of tabs or anything related, just drop me a line at stefania@tipsographic.com. You'll be finding the email address also on the About page on Tipsographic. Thank you. Bye from Stefania.